Y'all, welcome back to Sierra's World. Today is Friday, I believe the 29th. Yeah, the 29th. It's right here on the screen. I am in the kitchen. I'm about to clean up, which is long overdue because I didn't do it yesterday, and I need to wipe some of these cabinets down and put my rugs back down in here and sweep and mop and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna try to bring you guys along. I can't clean as fast as I used to. You guys do know I am 6 months pregnant, and it takes a toll on me. So my legs get to going on because of my sciatica and all that good stuff. But we're gonna get through it. Got too much grease on my lips. We're gonna get through it. I'm gonna bring you guys along. So let me show you what we're starting off with. This is the mess. Look at the door in here. Kitchen. So I'm about to get this together. Also gotta do that table over. Just have your pizza ready. Do that table too. So let's get to it, guys. have pretty much cleaned everything. I still need to wipe down this refrigerator, so let me spray that a little bit. I'm gonna refill my bottle because it's just about empty. And spraying off this table. I need to refill my solution. But you guys, I am tired. I cannot clean. I love a clean house, but my house has not been as clean as I would like it because I'm not able to clean like I normally would. My legs is already going on right now. But like I said, I'm just about done. Only thing I have to do now, the dishes are washed, everything's pretty much wiped down. I have a few things that I didn't wipe down, but I'm not gonna worry about it. Do the refrigerator, the table. I'm gonna sweep the floors. Then I'm gonna make some mop water so I can mop. And then I'm gonna put I have some rugs that I usually keep here, but they have been up for like the last months because of the dog and all that stuff, so I didn't want them to get messed up. But I think I'm gonna put those back down once I get done. Just wiping this stuff off a little bit. Refill my bottle. I'm gonna have to take a break because my legs get to hurting really bad. I'm just wiping the refrigerator off right now, guys. My oven needs clean so bad. I may get someone to come do that for me because I don't know if I could take those chemicals. I need somebody to like come and do my baseboards and my baseboards, my oven, and like the walls and stuff. I can do some of the walls, but not all of them. So I'll just do what I can. The house is not nasty or anything, but it could look nicer. But let me wipe this table off. Sit you guys there. But yeah, I know I haven't been posting a whole lot. I try to post when I can. It just has been so much going on within the family and people that's close to us. A lot of death and a lot of illness. It's been really hard to deal with, but you know, it's part of life, but it just sucks and it hurts. But let me clean this table off, guys, and sit you guys down. Alright guys, I got my Lysol. Josiah and the dog Autumn are outside playing. But I just use an empty bottle. I reuse the same bottle I had for a couple years. And I just put my Lysol, which I'm pretty much almost out. So I have to try to go buy some more cleaning supplies. If I can't find them in a store, I'll try to do an online order, which is kind of hard now as well. That's enough. And then I just added the rest of the way with some water. Oh yeah, you guys, I end up my faucet had messed up. There's a crack. It was a crack like on this. Am I showing you guys? There's a crack like on this part. So the plumber ended up coming and changing out the faucet. And he also added this sprayer, which I'm so glad because I really needed one of those. He added that. So this is what the new faucet looks like. So I just refilled this. I think everything is pretty much good on being wiped down. There's a few cabinets that I didn't get to, but they're not that bad. I'm not going to stress it because your girl is tired. Like I said, I can't do as much as I would usually do, but it's still clean. So hey, the job will be done. So let me go ahead and put you guys back down somewhere. I hate that I don't have a tripod. I have to find a tripod so I can sit, set it up and get different angles, because it's hard to try to, as y'all can see, to get those different angles as I'm cleaning and trying to show you guys what I am doing. I think I'm going to sit you over here on the table. I'm just going to go over the floor, sweep it, make some mop water, and then I have I ordered a pot set from Amazon, so I'll show you guys that. But let's get to sweeping and mopping, guys. Alright guys, it's a little after 2. I had to take a break. But I am done as I'm going to be today. I pretty much wiped the counters and everything off. I think it's clean. Sink and everything is clean. I got all the dishes clean. I swept and mopped. That's just like his cup. He always keep his cup right there. I put my rugs back down. What y'all just saw. I used to have this. I had this one over there and that one over there, but I just decided to switch it up because this used to be in the way all the time. So I think it looks pretty cool. The kitchen is clean. I did wipe the table off, mopped over here in this area as well. Now one thing I have to do is show you guys. I ordered me some pots on Amazon because I was completely out. I had destroyed only, I had like two or three pots left, and over the last couple months I burnt those out. So let me show you guys this box opening. Alright you guys, this is what I got. I hope you can see that. It's the Amazon Basics. It's the 8-piece non-stick cookware cohesive set. So it came in, I already took out that box and I pre-opened it, but this was like I think like $41 or something like that, and it was like the cheapest one because I just needed something basic. I'm not trying to spend hundreds of dollars on a pot set. So I end up choosing this one for that reason. And it's pretty much what I needed. I need all these sizes because over the years I have destroyed my pots. So we got two tops, right? Lids, whatever you want to call it, right here. And so let me pull this one out. I need a tripod so bad. So y'all, thanks for bearing with me with this footage. Doing the best I can do right now with what I got. So this is what this one looks like. It has the coating. And I'm going to be really careful and use the right plastic or wood stuff so that I won't scratch like I always end up doing. Got a nice weight to it. Don't feel cheap. Feels like it's a pretty good set. So that's the lid for that one. I'm just going to throw these over here. Y'all excuse Autumn. Look at her stuff over there. And then we have just another lid. The medium. Wait a minute, I thought this was gonna be bigger than this. Huh? That's what you get for being cheap, I guess. I thought it was gonna be a bigger size pot, but I don't have a problem. I'll just go to the store and find me a big one because I need a big pot, and this is not. It looked like it was gonna be big on the picture, but it's not big at all. So that's what this one looks like. Man, I thought that was gonna be way bigger than that, but it might. I don't think I'm gonna need something big for like when I do my meats and stuff, like when I do my neck bones and that type of stuff. I need like a stew pot, or I really want a Dutch oven, so I might just go ahead and just purchase me a Dutch oven and call it a day and just work with these three. This one is like the smaller, medium, and then I guess that's what you consider large in this set. So that looks like. And then it also came with some skillets, which I really didn't need these, but I guess you can't have too many skillets. So I still need a big pot because I thought that pot was gonna be way bigger than that, but it got a nice weight to it. So this is one of the skillets. I think it's the larger of the two. So that's that. And then should be one more. And I think the lids can be interchangeable to go on some of these skillets. And then this is a small. This is the perfect size. I needed something like this for a real small skillet. So that is what it's looking like, guys. So it's 8 pieces, including the lid. It's 2 pans, 3 pots, and 3 lids. Let's see, can this fit? Nope. Alright guys, my camera ended up dying, but let me show you guys one more time. This is my new pot set, and it's a sturdy set. I just wish that this one was bigger, but like I said, I probably just end up ordering me a Dutch oven, and that way I'll have what I need. But this is my new pot set from Amazon. It was like only $40 something, so I can't really complain. I just have to give me a bigger pot. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video off. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging in there with me. I forgot what I was going to say, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.